Welcome to my review of hair transplant solutions. This website promises to offer top-quality hair restoration services, but does it live up to the hype? In this video, I'm diving deep into the features, services, and user experience this site provides. Hair Transplant Solutions specializes in connecting users with clinics that offer a variety of hair restoration procedures. The website is well organized, but at times it feels like it's trying to push you into making quick decisions, which can be overwhelming if you're new to this field. The site does a great job of explaining the types of hair transplants available, such as FUE and FUT, and provides detailed information on the steps involved in the procedures. The clinic comparison tool is helpful, giving users the ability to compare costs, locations, and services across various providers. However, while the information is solid, I found some areas lacking in terms of clarity, especially when it comes to pricing breakdowns. The cost of hair transplants can vary greatly, and I would have appreciated more transparency in this area. The booking process is straightforward, but I noticed that some of the clinics listed on the site didn't have enough customer feedback available to make a fully informed choice. It's also important to note that the site doesn't feature enough real patient stories, which can make it harder to gauge the quality of services offered. One positive feature of Hair Transplant Solutions is the consultation booking system. It makes scheduling an appointment easy, and you can get in touch with a specialist quickly. The overall user interface of the website is clean and intuitive, making navigation fairly simple. However, I did experience some loading issues at times, which may be due to server performance or heavy traffic. Overall, I think Hair Transplant Solutions provides a valuable service, but it's not perfect. It's a solid resource for anyone considering hair restoration, but I recommend doing additional research beyond the site's offerings. If you're serious about booking a procedure, it's best to consult directly with clinics before making any decisions. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. In conclusion, Hair Transplant Solutions can be a great starting point for those considering hair restoration, but don't rely solely on it. It's important to gather a wide range of opinions and consult multiple sources before committing to a procedure. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Your support means a lot.